Global warming is not a myth. Global warming is a problem of too much heat trapping carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. The carbon dioxide acts as a blanket trapping heat and warming the planet. According to the Union of Concerned Scientists.org, the global temperature has increased by more than 1.5 degrees Fahrenheit over the past century. I hope everyone, after watching my presentation, will continue recycling or begin recycling and find some time to plant a tree. The three topics I'm going to cover on global warming are the causes of global warming, the effects of global warming, and how we can contribute to preventing further damage to our planet. Did you know that we are the main cause of global warming? Since the Industrial Revolution, we have been burning large amounts of fossil fuels. Some of these fossil fuels include gas, diesel, and oil. Burning large amounts of fossil fuels and natural gases releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Gases that stop some of the heat from escaping into space are called greenhouse gases. Some fertilizers release nitrous oxide, which is a greenhouse gas. Farm animals, like cattle and sheep, produce large amounts of methane, which is also a greenhouse gas. There are many industrial processes that emit a variety of greenhouse gases, such as cement production and coal mining. Now let's talk about the impact global warming has on the planet. The change in the climate puts our health at a higher risk. An increase in temperature will lead to a longer allergy season, and it also will lead to an increase in air pollution. According to the Union of Concerned Scientists.org, the average global sea level has increased 8 inches since 1880. On NRDC.org, scientists predict that polar bears will become extinct in Alaska by 2050. They predict this because they have a longer distance to swim to reach ice floes, and they end up drowning. In our planet's polar regions, the majority of the world's glaciers are melting faster than new snow and ice can replenish them, especially in the Arctic regions. Tens of millions of trees have died in the Rocky Mountains over the past 15 years. These trees are victims of a triple assault of tree-killing insects, wildfires, and stress from heat and drought, according to the Union of Concerned Scientists.org. Finally, how can we contribute to preventing any further damage to our planet? 14 of you that responded to the questionnaire said you would help stop global warming. Since we can't completely stop global warming or reverse the damage, let's talk about a few ways we can help our planet. Less trees means less absorption of greenhouse gases, which are in itself the main cause of global warming. When a tree is chopped down or killed, 3 more should be planted to replace it. In our spare time, we should be planting a tree in our backyard, in our neighbor's backyard, or throughout the community. Throughout our homes, we should use energy-efficient products. For example, fluorescent light bulbs. Not only are they energy efficient, but they are also cost effective. There are energy and renewable energy sources such as solar and wind are increasingly cost effective and meet the vast majority of our energy needs. According to doitgreen.org, the decomposition of paper in landfills produce the greenhouse gas methane. Recycling paper and using 100% recycled paper, believe it or not, requires no paper. To conclude, I hope that everyone has a better understanding about what global warming is and how it is affecting each and every one of us. I hope everyone will help contribute to protecting our planet and make it a safer environment. A few steps we can take are by recycling. In Highlands County, there are many recycling bins. 2 places that I know of in Lake Placid are at Publix. There are many recycling bins, and also in Placid Lakes in Lake Placid. Planting a tree throughout the community or in your backyard or also in your neighbor's backyard will help keep the air clean and pure.